Hello, everybody. This is Tabish, and let's start with the presentation. The list of vocabs covered in this session are displayed on the screen for a short while. If you need immediate assistance, please contact Deputy Clerk Amanda at aaa@gov. Assistance, help, aid, madad, immediate, speedy, instant, foreign. Effective June 15, 2022, only Chrome or Edge browser may be used. You may need to disable the pop-up blockers to use this site. Effective, operative and enforceable, जो कि एक्टिव हो चुका हो इस तारीख से, इफेक्टिव हो गया, एक्टिव हो गया, इम्प्लीमेंट हो गया, नाफिज हो गया. Henceforth, this will be a weekly exercise, and all the departmental managers are requested to add the relevant team members in the group to ensure that they are in looping pertaining to the weekend issues. Henceforth, henceforward, from this time forth, from now, अब से, इस वक्त से, add, include, शामिल करना, relevant, मुतल्लिका, बामकसद, having a bearing on or connection with the subject, ताल्लुक होना, pertaining, related or connected to, मुतल्लिका या उससे मुंसलिक. I will get along with Mr. ABC to understand it. मैं Mr. ABC के साथ मिलके समझूंगा. Along with, उसके साथ. Online payment can be made by accessing the city website and navigating to online services. Assessing, ऑनलाइन विजिट करके कंप्यूटर का जो डेटा है उसको हासिल करना. नेविगेटिंग, टू मूव अराउंड अ वेबसाइट और अ कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन. असेसिंग, रसाई हासिल करना. ऑनलाइन विजिट करके या कंप्यूटर से कनेक्ट होके डेटा को हासिल करना या प्रोसेसिंग करना. I have received some franchise tax short forms. I am the person who will be working the sales and use tax and franchise tax assignments for this business. Before I tell you what reports I need and before I review the forms you sent, please complete and sign the Nexus questionnaire and power of attorney forms attached. Review, examine, study, मुताला करना, मुआयना करना. Questionnaire, list of questions, सवालात की फहरिस्त. Task, job, project, assignment, काम. A task allocated to someone as a part of job. Task जो कि किसी को assign किया गया हो, जिम्मे किया गया हो. Concerned, appropriate or involved with the subject. Concerned staff will call you back. मुतल्लिका अमला आपको call back करेगा. Please review the table below and the attached signed permit application. Discussion and information are required before filing them. Let's sit together and review it jointly. Also share relevant documents you have on the subject. Discussion, conversation, argument, jointly, together, मुश्तरका तौर पर साथ मिलकर. Please make Mr. Khan sit beside you so he can assist us in our routine tasks. Routine, daily, रोजाना. Task, everyday, job, errands, रोजमर्रा की नौकरी, काम. Beside, next to, के बगल में. The only way this customer would feel vindicated is if we refund her husband money. Vindicated, not to blame, इल्जाम ना दे. Refund, compensated, payback, रकम वापस करना. The county sheriff's office has chosen to waive the annual 25 registration fees. Waive, दस्तबरदारी, give up, छोड़ देना. Surrender, तरक करना. leave the amount mentioned above. Registration, recording, record keeping, अपने record में शामिल करना. I figured it out. We need a document to add the application. I have requested the space plan from PG. Once we have that, we will finish the submission. Figure out, find out, discovered, try to find out a way to do. मसले का हल निकाल लिया. Submission हम जमा करवाएंगे. The action or presenting a proposal, application or other document for consideration or judgment. Consideration सोचना उस पर, judgment फैसला करना. Document दस्तावेज. I have finalized the application and submitted. Finalize हतमी शक्ल देना, concluded. नतीजा अखज़ करना, completed मुकम्मल करना. We will process online payment with the bank account details. Please confirm the availability of funds. Availability present, दस्तयाबी. CO application resubmitted on city demand. It was approved by Sir XXS. Resubmitted, दोबारा जमा करवाई. Presented to city for review and consideration. सिटी के सामने रखी गई ताकि वो उसका जायजा ले सकें और उस पर फैसला कर सकें. डिमांड, अथॉरिटेटिव ऑर्डर, हुक्म. अथॉरिटेटिवली, ऑफिशियली आस्क्ड टू कंप्लाई. सरकारी तौर पर तकमील करने को कहा गया. पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट अलार्म परमिट कंप्लायंस यूनिट. Compliance, the state of fact of according with or meeting rules or standard. Compliance, abidance, conformity, confirmation, according to certain accepted standard. असूलों के मुताबिक अमल करना, मुताबिकत. Benefit, privilege, tax. A special advantage or immunity or benefit not enjoyed by all. Riayat. Thank you for watching the video. If you learned something, please like and subscribe the channel.